Hi dear friends, today we are going to be making a pair of earrings with some of the beads and materials that we got from the Potomac Bead Company April treasure bags. I'm a little bit behind. So as you can see, these delicas, we received them in the April bags for the Potomac Bead Company. Also, these metal beads and this beads as well. So we are going to be utilizing these components that I bought a long time ago. And my earring hooks, we're going to be using 22 gauge wire, and that is going to be up to you. You can use 20. So for tools, I'm going to be using some toothpick, some pins. So we are going to start by getting these pieces ready. The other materials that you can use besides the E6000 is going to be the hypo cement and or resin. I'm going to be using this resin that I have, but you have three choices, or you can use this. So with a toothpick, I'm going to grab some of my resin and I'm gonna put it in. So with that pin, we are going to grab our delicas. And we are going to start setting them up. At this point, you can just rearrange them. As you can see, I see a little spacing here. So maybe we can push them a little bit. Very careful. So this is good. Let's do the other one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cure my components, and I'll be right back to show you the next step. My components are ready, so we are going to go ahead and move to the next step. We are going to grab a piece of 22 wire. You can use 20 gauge as well. I'm going to be using 22. So I apologize if this video gets blurry. Unfortunately, I don't have a big space to film, so it's a little bit hard for me when I'm doing wire wrapping, so bear with me. So we're gonna bend this. This is what you're supposed to have. We are going to place our round nose pliers, and we are going to bring the wire all the way around. We are going to rotate our pliers, and we are going to continue rotating until the wire touches. And I hope you are able to see this. This is what you're supposed to have. So we're gonna hold this, and we are going to wrap around, okay? 2, 3, and right here is as many as you want to. cut the excess wire, and I'm going to go ahead and tuck it in later. For now, I'm just gonna cut my wire. This is what you should have. And right here, we can put our earring hook. So right now, we are going to put this. The best way to do that, it's going to be with a pin. So this is what we have. This needs to be like that. So right now we're gonna make another loop. So this is where it gets blurry, okay? So bear with me. So we're gonna put the pliers and we are going to bend. Okay. At this point we can cut all this. We don't need. So we are going to put our bent brown nose pliers on top. And we tried as much as for our loops to be the same size. So we bring it all the way. We are going to rotate our pliers and we are going to continue rotating until we touch the pliers. Like this. So at this point, we want to open this loop and we want to grab our component. Let me see if, okay. And we are going to put it face down. So facing up, and we are going to bring it up. So when we turn, it's facing up. So this is gotta be sideways. We are going to hold this with our bent nose pliers. And we are going to rotate till maybe. So we're just gonna pull it and we are going to cut the excess wire. At this point, we want to arrange it. So we want to make it as straight as possible. And we need to tack the wire in. So we're just gonna push. And if you don't think you can do anything else, but I think we got a space in there. So we are going to squish it in. And that also is gonna make our earring to be more like without moving. As you can see, this is a little bent, so we need to bring it straight. We can cut this. So all we had to do right now is put an earring hook and we are done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, and please don't forget to visit thepotomacbeads.com